Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool ITT 2500 set desk telephone, and this is Mark's equipment from MA. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now this unit is new old stock, and Mark purchased this unit off of a auction site. And so basically when he received the telephone, the modular port for the handset cord was broken, and he contacted the seller, and they wanted to basically say that the modular port was broken during shipping. And Mark noted that the box that the telephone came in was not damaged at all. So he knew that the telephone was not damaged during shipping, but they just kind of gave him the runaround, and so he was left out in the open, and they didn't do anything about it as far as I know. But Mark knows that the telephone was not damaged in shipping. Mark had another modular port for the handset cord. The wiring was a little different colored, but he went ahead and installed it. Now, he did get the telephone to work, and it wasn't working really well, so the transmit and receive wasn't the best they could be. And then later on, the telephone just stopped working altogether, or the receive did. Now what we need to do is troubleshoot the transmit and the receive circuits, and we also want to make sure that all of the connections to the network are proper and that they're tight. So we will be troubleshooting the entire unit while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool new old stock ITT desk telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our repairs. And so basically what we found with the receiver capsule is the winding for the coil was bad. Now you can repair the winding, but in this case, the way it was damaged, we did not bother, and we went ahead and just replaced the receiver capsule. We're going to set that to the side. Now we also found some issues with the network. It really wasn't wired properly, so those issues were taken care of. And you should have plenty of receive and transmit power now that the telephone has been repaired. I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the receive audio on the final checkout. Now, since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And we'll go ahead and press the button on the amplifier. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. We'll release it. We'll press it one more time and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. We'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and hang up our handset. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Monday, March 13th. The current time, 3:20 p.m. and the temperature, 34 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool new old stock ITT desk telephone, a 2500 set, has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Mark and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.